reflection and refraction. So my name is AGM sir. Always good morning. So we are studying about light. When there is a light, then only good morning. Right? So this is the source of sun. From the sun only we will get the light. So these are the beam of light. So you can see these are the rays which are parallel to each other.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is called as a beam of light. So the small thing, if I take a narrow beam of light, which is called a ray of light. For study purpose, we will use a ray of light. We know that for testing of any sample, we will take a small amount of the sample, then we are going to test. So similarly, for studying of the light, we are taking a ray of light. So this light, we cannot see light, but light when falls on the object, we can see the objects. So light help us to observe the objects. Now coming, this light this effects of the light will be seen on mirrors. So these are called reflecting surfaces. So the reflecting surfaces, there are three types of mirrors: plane mirror, concave mirror or a converging mirror, convex mirror or a diverging mirror. So we will see the plane mirror. So this is a mirror. This is the object. If I stand in front of the mirror, I can see my image in the mirror. Okay, the light falls on me and the same image formed in front of your mirror. Just see here, if I raise my right hand, inside the mirror that will raise a left hand. So this is called a virtue. If I stand like this, my head is at top, my legs is at the bottom. In the image inside the mirror, I can see my head is at the top. My legs will be bottom only. But the thing is, if I raise my right hand, it will show left hand. That's why it is virtual. I am standing erect or upright. So image formation, nature of image in the plane mirror is virtual and upright. Now coming to spherical mirrors.
Right.
Right. State my parallel spherical mirrors. So spherical mirrors, this is a convex mirror, concave mirror, converging mirror. This is our convex mirror, which is called diverging mirror. Just see, this is our mirror, which is polished. Ray bag will be done, silver coating will be done, so that the ray cannot pass through that. So this is a concave mirror. We know that a cave. Earlier our ancestors stays in a cave. We know that. This is a curved thing inward. That's why it is called concave. So if the portion is bulged, okay, the bulged portion is called convex. So mirror, this is a smooth surface. Just see, this is our concave mirror. This is our convex mirror. So when I draw this curve, if I complete as a sphere, I will get a center. So this is called radius of curvature. This is a curve. We know that the distance from, in a circle, the distance from center to any point on the circle is called a radius. Distance from the center to the any point on the circle is called a radius. Similarly, if I draw an imaginary curve, it will be a sphere, and the center of curvature is nothing but radius of curvature. Okay, the center of the mirror is called a pole. So for reference, so I am standing here. So if imagine a center line inside me, means we know that this is a Brahmarandra. If I draw a perpendicular line which passes through my spinal cord, so imaginary line. If I take this a marker, if I draw a imaginary line, dotted line, it comes to the tip. This is an imaginary line. This acts as a reference line. From this, we are going to find out the image formation. That's why this is imaginary line. That is called as principal axis. That principal axis, the imaginary line which passes from the center of curvature, focus, and the pole. The distance between pole to center of curvature is called radius of curvature, and half of the radius of curvature is our focus. The distance between pole and the focus is called focal length. The distance between pole to the center of curvature is called radius of curvature. And similarly, in a convex mirror, this is a diverging mirror, the reflecting surface is bulged outward. So this acts as a reflecting surface, and this is your principal axis. If I draw a circle, this will become a sphere. The center of your sphere is nothing but center of curvature, and half of center of curvature is your focus, and the center of the mirror is pole. The distance between pole to the center of curvature is called radius of curvature. If it is 4 cm, we know that focal length is half of the center of curvature. If it is 4 cm, the focal length will be half of 4 will be 2 cm. So this is a convex mirror. Just this is called a converging mirror. Why? So suppose imagine this is inward wall. If I throw a ball, suppose I am throwing a ball parallel to principal axis. After hitting, it will move inward. When a ray is incident parallel to the principal axis, after reflecting, it passes through the focus. See here, this is a divergent. Why it is called divergent? This is a wall. Suppose imagine this is a wall. If I throw a ball parallel to the principal axis, after reflecting, it will diverge outward. If I extend this line backward, it will pass through the focus. It appears to pass through the focus. That's why it is called a diverging mirror. This is a converging mirror. Okay? In detail, we see in the next class. Please subscribe and like, share to your friends. By AGM द्वारा जनित में जारी. नमस्कार.